Hello everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how to make the book and the lamp graphic in Adobe Illustrator. The animation you see here was taken from Illustrator and animated in Adobe Animate. If you're interested in this example, consider checking out my course in the video description. We start off by designing the hardcovers. It's very simple to make, just basic rectangles using the rectangle tool. We want our book to have rounded corners, so the corner widget will come in handy. Next, we'll want to duplicate the shape for our right piece. Naming our shapes is a great way to stay organized, especially when it gets animated later on. Now we'll create a new layer and move on to designing the paper. It's very important that we create a new layer now that we are designing a different part of the book. Just like before, we'll be using simple rectangle shapes to design the paper. And as you can see, it's already starting to look like a book. Now we'll move on to backgrounds. We'll actually have two backgrounds, a main and a secondary. Shadows are another great add-on. They're pretty easy to make. A lot of times people read in the dark, so a lamp makes perfect sense in this situation. I want the light to hang from above in this example. I want it to portray a very big light, not the small clip-ons that some people like to use. We'll start off by coloring the hardcovers. An orangish brownish color suits it well. The paper will have a gradient. Blue seems like a nice color. To keep a pattern, the lamp's color will be similar to the hardcovers. This will cut down on random color. I think that looks good for now. A shadow adds some variation to the example. Dropping the opacity seems appropriate. I think no outlines look much better. That does it for this example. I hope you liked the video, and I'll see you then.